So this is just a quick tutorial about how to automatically install Woocommerce on your WordPress website. So you'll click plugins and then add new. In the keyword, you'll type in Woocommerce. Once it shows in the left, just click install now on the Woocommerce plugin. When it's done installing, go ahead and click activate. At this point, once it's done installing, it'll walk you through everything. Make sure you read everything and don't just click through things really quick, because some of this is very important. Go ahead and put in your address, your city, your zip code that you're going to be shipping from. This can have determining factors later on how much your customers pay for shipping. Next, you'll want to pick what kind of products you'll sell. Are they just physical or digital downloads like images or songs? You can leave this next thing checked. I don't like to, because it seems like it's going to slow my website down a little. Then click Let's Go. Here you'll pick your payment types. I use Stripe. If you want, you can use PayPal. Make sure you enable it here. Also, you have offline payments like COD or check payments, bank transfers. A lot of times I will use cash on delivery, but for this purpose I won't. And then click continue. Now we're going to pick your shipping methods and your rates. For now, I'm going to just use free shipping to make this simple. Not to mention, most customers, they like free shipping, and you can always upcharge everything just a little bit to cover the cost. Then you'll want to pick your weight and your measurements, and then continue. Here they're going to ask you if you want to use some starter packages like the storefront theme. If you have your own theme, go ahead and don't check or uncheck these. And then automated taxes, MailChimp, Facebook. For now, the only ones I'm going to leave checked are the theme and the WooCommerce admin. Unless you have MailChimp already set up, I would not leave this checked. And then go ahead and click continue at the bottom. I don't mess with Jetpack, but I'll save that for a later video. For now, I'm just going to skip this step. And from this point, I'm just going to skip these and click View Dashboard. Now, WooCommerce is already installed, but I'm going to go through just a couple quick settings. So click WooCommerce and then Dashboard on the left. On your dashboard, it shows you your sales, revenue, gross revenue, any orders you've got. Right now we don't have any orders, but here's where the tab would click if you had any current orders. You could check your stock. Then let's go to settings on the left hand side under WooCommerce. You're going to want to just check a few of these things, like where you want to sell, where you want to ship. For now, I'm just putting the US or United States. In a later video, I'll go over things like using coupons. Go ahead and click Save Changes. And now we're going to look at the Products tab. Here, you just pick what page you want. It installed and created pages called Shop, or it should have. If not, just make sure you create a page and call it Shop. If you want to mess with inventory, you can do it here. For now, I'm going to uncheck Enable Stock Management and save. Also, I don't like to show remaining stock, but you can if you choose so. Next, we're going to go to Shipping and just check what we've already done. For now, we won't do anything here except we may go ahead and go to the Payments tab and just rearrange the payments we're using so we can find them easy. You can move them up to the top and then just hit save. If you're going to manage or make any changes to your payments, this is where it would be at. We can cover more later. Feel free to look around these tabs. You may want to check or uncheck things. Also, make sure you go to emails and make sure that you're getting an email when there's a new order. Click Manage, and you can also add CCs. You would just put a comma and then another email. Let's go ahead and make our first product. On the left-hand side, look for Woocommerce, and underneath that, you'll have products. Click Add New, and let's give our product a title. You're also going to need a long description and also a short description. I'm just using some text I have here as an example. Don't forget to give it a H2 paragraph title for SEO. And then type in your description below that. We're going to add a new category by clicking Add New Category, giving it a name, and then click Add New Category below that. We're going to scroll down and give it a price, and then also a sales price if you like. On the Inventory tab, it's not necessary, but I like to give every product a SKU. You can use the manufacturer's SKU or product number. Shipping, it's very important. You have to give it some weight or it won't work. So I just give it 2 pounds. Then down to attributes. These help people narrow searches down later when you have a lot of products. I'm going to name this one manufacturer and DGI. And don't forget to click Save Attributes. Then we're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page where the short description is. And this is the small description that's going to go to the right-hand side of your product. You can put whatever you want here to get people's attention. Next, we're going to want to add our product image and any images for our product gallery. Come over here to product image and click an image, or you can add one by just dropping one in the window. Then if you want to add a product gallery, we go down here and add some extra images. Don't forget to give it an alt text code for SEO. And hit add to gallery. Then we're going to scroll up. Go ahead and click publish. When it's finished publishing, you can just click view product and you're done. If you need to make any changes, you can always hit edit product from here.